Zulu and her friend Macy. Hey, Macy. Hey, Macy. There.
I just want to say we were going to maybe see Rachel today.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
But we're not.
Nope. Oh, okay. Ready? All right. Ready? Yeah. Good job. Okay, ready? Once more. Get it. Good job. What, you want some more? I guess not. Give me that. Nope. Give me that. There we go. Ready?
Jeremy and I are
Nice.
and then I just found out that
Zulu. Hi, Zulu.